Are the audience visible to you, sir?
My PPT is visible, ma'am.
Yes, my PPT is visible.
Wait a minute. Okay. My screen to visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now we start with the session. Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Uh, how many of you are technical background? Now most of you are in technical background.
So that's a formal introduction, sir.
Okay.
Stop. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Good morning to everyone. It is a great honor to welcome you all to this virtual power seminar program on augmented reality organized by the Department of Computer Science in collaboration with ICT Academy, Tamil Nadu. Let us start our section with silent prayer. I now call upon Mr. Andrew Felicita, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, to welcome the resource person. Good morning to all of you connected here. First and foremost, I acknowledge the Lord Almighty, the source of all knowledge, as His presence has guided us till this day. I am delighted to extend a warm welcome to every one of you to this power seminar focused on augmented reality. It is with immense pleasure and enthusiasm that I introduce our distinguished resource person, Mr. Rahul Kumar, a senior application engineer at Trendsetters Info Services in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Holding a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Aligarh Muslim University, Mr. Kumar brings a wealth of knowledge and experience that promises to enrich our community. Currently serving as a senior application engineer at Trendsetters Info Services, Mr. Rahul Kumar's expertise goes beyond his current role. He has also made significant contributions as a mechanical faculty at the Electronic Service and Training Center in New Delhi, and as a mechanical designer at a Varuk Polymers in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. His professional journey includes valuable experiences gained during an internship at Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited in Uttarakhand. In addition to his practical experience, Mr. Rahul Kumar holds notable licenses and certifications, including being a Unity Certified Associate, game developer, and specializing in metal additive manufacturing from the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Further enhancing his skill set, he has earned certification in augmented reality and virtual reality in mechanical engineering from Sri Buddha College of Engineering, Pattur, Kerala, and manufacturing guidelines for product design from the Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. His proficiency spans a wide range of tools and technologies, including AutoCAD Mechanical, Autodesk Fusion 360, PageMaker, PTC Creo SolidWorks, augmented reality, virtual reality, Blender, Revit architecture, 3D modeling, and 3D printing. His dedication to continuous learning is evident through certification from esteemed institutions like the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and great learning. Sir, we are truly honored to have you as our resource person, and we look forward to gaining valuable insight from you. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed principal, Dr. Sister Jesse, our secretary, Dr. Sister Shibana, and our deputy principal, Dr. Sister S. Kulangaitaras, for constantly motivating and supporting us in organizing this webinar. I also welcome all the staff and students to this session. I wish you all a happy and fruitful learning. Once again, I welcome you all. Welcome. Thank you, ma'am, for your warm and wonderful words of welcome. Now I request the Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Rahul Kumar, Senior Application Engineer, 10 Center Info Service, to take over the section. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for introduction. Uh, so let's start to the technological part. How to technology can enhance the future, or how to the industry 4.0 innovate the augmented reality and virtual reality. Nowadays, this technology is like very popular. So, have you used the Snapchat, and kind of lenses?
Yes, sir.
This is based on augmented reality. The new app called IKEA app. IKEA is a furniture placing app. This is based on IKEA app is augmented reality. There are several use case of augmented reality on step for technological part. Like you see the Lenskart app for specs user. Like you can change with the model with respect to the frames, so you can use the augmented reality behind it. Okay, so what is AR? So let's rip the confusion within AR. That AR is nothing but the augmented reality. Augmented means you augmented or you import virtual things in the real world. Okay, like you have a cube in a software, but you can augment it or you can import in the real world. This is called an augmented reality. Okay, you import some digital content into a real world. Okay, let's see the video and understand what is it. Like here is in marker. This is a marker based augmented reality. Is an application you build by the Unity after completion your basic 3 to 4 understanding. So you will build the APK file and check with your AR marker. Like this is an AR application. You just see the picture of 2D and something digital pop up on it. This is called augmented reality. Okay. This is an image only. So you can scan through the camera. So you will see this is a 3D object onto the marker. This is called augmented reality. Augmented something digital object in a physical space. Okay. This is called augmented reality. In additional that, you just not augmented the model, you may also involve the animation on it, like you see this video. This is a mechanical math, so you cannot go to the videos part, or like for book or 2D diagrams you may also use for 3D augmented on your books. Like you just scan your book diagram and the model is pop up on your book. This is the in-depth learning of the 3D modeling using the 3D models. Okay, you see, this is
Sir.
not only the model, this is apply an animation on it.
Your slide is not on the slideshow, sir. It's just showing in the PPT.
This is not visible, ma'am.
It is visible, sir, but
Hmm.
not in the full screen. It is. It's not in the presentation form. Fine, sir. Now it is open.
So you
Thank
see.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir. Thanks.
No. You see the video, and this is a 3D model implement with the different kind of operations on it. This is not a video. This is a model you augmented or imported on your books or on your diagrams of 2D. This is the power of augmented reality. So this is a one use case. If you have a mechanical engineering background, you build like this kind of use case. Okay. If you have a electrical background, so you may also use for a transformer or a, yeah, electrical use. If you have electronics engineer, you go with the PCB sections. So another example is like for you just import the 2D diagrams like plane, like for 2D image of your plan of civil, then you can import the 3D plan of your house. This is called an augmented reality. So there is in four type of augmented reality. First is called marker based augmented reality. This is nothing but the augmented needed a marker. Marker is like the image. Which image? This image, white one. This is a marker needed. This is called, that's why this is called the marker based augmented reality. Okay. Second is second is marker less augmented reality. This is nothing but we nothing need any marker. We just go with the without marker. You see the video.
To scan for the flat surface to place model. Tap to place the model.
You can import the 3D model directly into the environment. Go to the floor or table floor. You can directly import on it. This is called markerless because you don't need any markers. Okay.
Splash guides. Tap on Explore button to identify parts of lathe. Tap on Operate.
You may also increase the size of your model using your fingers or using your button sections. This is the power of scaling. Like you just pinching zoom in, so the model is increasing the size. If you want to rotate, you just rotate using your first finger. This is called an markerless
To learn
augmented
of
reality.
various machining operation on lathe. User tap on Operation button. Fix the workpiece on the facing operation. Select the operations.
This is called an markerless augmented reality. The model is anything. Here we use only for mechanical because my background is mechanical. But you can also use for transformer. You can also use for electronic section. You may also use for like for civil section or a medical use case. There is a many kind of use case. Okay. The third one is called a projection based augmented reality. What is projection based? We need a device. We need a device instead of mobile. In both of technology like marker based and markerless technology, we need a mobile phone for your application. Okay. In the projection based augmented reality, we don't need any mobile phone. We directly use a Google glasses. Okay. So this is called an projection based augmented reality. Everything is same, but we need a project the device called AR glasses or some Google glasses. Like this is called a projection based augmented reality. Third one is a superimposition augmented reality. Superimposition method is nothing but the model, the target is the 3D target, 3D models, like the real-time models is the targets, not for 2D image or a markerless. We have a target is in 3D models. So real-time 3D model is in target of the augmented reality. This is called superimposition augmented reality. This is the kind of type augmented reality. Okay. So what is real is the augmented reality is a reality intelligence and enhancement is called augmented reality. Any doubt till now what is augmented reality? Is just little idea of augmented reality. Any doubt? Okay, okay. Is there is second type you mostly aware for VR? VR and AR. What is the VR? Anyone hear about the VR? VR part? Sorry?
Slideshow, sir. The screen is
Now it's okay?
yeah.
So what is the AR? Sorry, VR.
Virtual reality.
So there is a different in the. I think the problem with this my slide. This slide is going randomly.
You are the one who will be hurt.
Okay, I'm changing with this now. This time.
Virtually, we can connect with the objects, sir.
Yes, in VR.
It won't be exist in real, but we can connect with the objects.
Okay. What's the difference between AR and VR? AR is already I'm telling. What's the difference between AR and VR? Anyone? We go to the technical part in after 10. We go to the Unity and build at least one applications. AR we try. Okay. So I am saying what the AR and VR. So AR is already know what's the VR. VR is just go into the virtual world, disconnect to the real world. This is called virtual reality. Like you just wear HMD device and go to the virtual world. You just disconnect to your real world. This is called virtual reality. And what is AR? AR is nothing but you just import your virtual model into the real world. Okay, this is called augmented reality. Okay, any doubt in AR? What is AR and VR? Student can understand. Okay, XR is an umbrella. Everything is in under the XR. XR is extended reality under this. This is the umbrella of AR, VR, and MR. Okay, any doubt till now?
No, sir, you can proceed.
Okay, okay. So you see the image, the first image, VR technology completely immerse a user inside a synthetic environment. You cannot see the real world around him. This is called virtual reality. There is many type of VR, like firstly fully immersive, semi-immersive, and non-immersive type of VR. Okay, the side is the right one is in augmented reality. So you see the real world also parallelly. So AR has allowed the user to see the real world with the virtual objects. Okay, this is called an augmented reality use case. Okay, now the difference is clear for AR and VR.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, mix with real world already. Okay. So AR system will following three characteristics: combined real world and virtual world object in a real environment. Is an interactive. You see the video. You see the movie called Iron Man. Iron Man movie is based on mixed reality and augmented reality. Interact in a real time. So you can connect to the sensors or IoT data. So you may also use for the machine's input and outputs. Like you create a virtual button in AR. So the virtual button is directly impact into the real world. This is the power of augmented reality. Not go to the virtual objects like for importing section or some viewing section. You may also go for the real time changes. Like you connect to the VR through the IoT, or you may connect it with AR with IoT. So you can also use your home appliances as in virtual switches. So you just click here in virtual. So the impact in a real world. This is the power of the VR and AR. So you just connect it to the IoT or server. So you may also uses a virtual interaction in a real impact. Okay, already show the video. So the augmented reality for machine learning applications, like you see the first, you see this video, this show this picture. So this is like you just enter in the virtual space. My screen visible now, ma'am? My voice is clear, ma'am? My connection is lost, I think. Okay, okay. I'll just reconnect it, okay? Now my voice is clear.